Welcome to our captivating world of precision agriculture. Explore how cutting-edge technology and data-driven insights are revolutionizing the way we cultivate our fields for maximum efficiency and sustainability. If you're as excited about the future of farming, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more innovative insights on modern agriculture. In today's rapidly evolving world, the agriculture industry is experiencing a transformative shift. The new era of farming is precision agriculture, a paradigm that blends cutting-edge technology with age-old farming wisdom to maximize efficiency, sustainability, and productivity. The primary goals of precision agriculture are to optimize resource utilization, enhance crop yields, reduce environmental impact, and ultimately, secure food production for a growing global population. Precision agriculture finds its roots in the Green Revolution of the mid-20th century, when advanced farming techniques emerged. However, it's in the digital age that precision agriculture has truly taken flight, fueled by breakthroughs in data science, sensors, and automation. Today, precision agriculture employs an array of technologies: global positioning system, geographic information systems, drones, and satellite imagery enable precise mapping and monitoring of fields. These tools empower farmers to make data-driven decisions. Precision agriculture comprises several key components. These include site-specific crop management, variable rate technology, automated machinery, and real-time monitoring. By customizing practices for each area of a field, farmers can optimize inputs while minimizing waste. The benefits are abundant. Precision agriculture increases crop yields, conserves resources like water and fertilizers, reduces environmental harm, and boosts profitability. The heart of precision agriculture is data. Soil sensors, weather stations, and drones collect a plethora of information on soil moisture, temperature, nutrient levels, and more. This data provides valuable insights for decision-making. The deluge of data collected is transformed into actionable insights through advanced data analysis and artificial intelligence. AI-driven algorithms analyze historical and real-time data, helping farmers predict disease outbreaks, optimize irrigation schedules, and enhance overall efficiency. However, challenges persist. Implementation cost, access to technology in rural areas, and data privacy concerns can be barriers. Looking ahead, precision agriculture will continue to evolve. We envision smart machinery that can work autonomously, AI systems capable of even more accurate predictions, and expanded integration of data from diverse sources. Precision agriculture stands as a testament to the remarkable synergy between cutting-edge technology and deep-rooted farming practices. By embracing this approach, we not only optimize crop yields and resource efficiency, but also honor the essential relationship between farmers and the land. This transformative method paves the way for a greener, more abundant future. Let's sowing the seeds of a sustainable future for the coming generations. Together, we can make a difference. For more updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.